Hey man, say man, it's your boy TechWeez TV. I'm back with another video. On today's video, as you see in the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all young niggas how to get motion in 2024. Oh, it's 2023, but it's December, so I'm probably gonna title this 2024. But yeah, if you new to my channel, bro, I make videos like this all the time, blessing free game, giving as much information, as much game as possible, because it's like, bro, I'm young, I'm an entrepreneur, and like 2 years or a year and a half ago when I started this journey, everything I tell y'all in my videos, I really be wishing I had a nigga telling me. So I'm really here to just give y'all a free game, you feel me? So I ain't gonna hold niggas up too much on the intro, you feel me? All I wanna say is if you're new to the channel, go ahead, leave a subscribe, and a like. It helped me in the algorithm, you feel me? I'm on the road to 10K. But yeah, it don't cost $0 show a nigga love, but that's not what we're here for. I'm gonna just jump straight into the video. But yeah, I have multiple videos like this, so I recommend you watching the whole series before you just jump into this episode. But yeah, first thing, hold on. First thing first that I want to get into is okay, boom. So I got my notes ready. So first thing I want to get into is how to like get money, like for real, like. So the most important thing I want to get off the rip is it's not even necessarily how much money you make from one stream of income. So yeah, you could have a job that pays you 100,000 a year, or you could have 5 streams of income that pay you 20,000, and now you have 100,000. So I wouldn't get caught up on the one source of income. What I would definitely recommend is generating multiple streams of income. Now, me, hold on. As you see, I'm wearing my clothing brand. I have a clothing brand. I do YouTube. I do automated YouTube. That's where you create channels, and Faceless YouTube, you create channels that you post the content do what it do. So it's Faceless YouTube. I also do reselling, as well as like crypto call outs. But another one of my main sources of income is I have 30,000 on Instagram, and I also like design and like help other people with their brands, so I kind of make money from that too. So yeah, the best thing I would definitely want to recommend is generating multiple streams of income, because that's how you get money. I ain't gonna lie. Because if I just work the job and that's the only source of income anybody has, like, what if that job goes away tomorrow? Or what if, like, you should never put all your eggs in one basket, is basically what I'm saying. So yeah, generating multiple streams of income. Like say I got a job, my job pay me 4,000 a month. You feel me? 1,000 a week, 4,000 a month. But say another version of me got a job and a business on the side, and now instead of 4,000 a month, I make 4,000 from work and 3,000 from my business. Now you got $7,000 a month instead of $4,000 a month. Now it might not sound like crazy, but that's a big difference, because like I promise you it's a big difference. Like say you make 4,000 a month for 12 months, my nigga, that's 48,000 a year. Now if you take 7 and divide that by 12, you got 84,000. That's literally damn near double your fucking salary in a year. So like I'm telling y'all, bro, side hustles, businesses, like, y'all need to invest. Like, invest to yourself, invest to your purpose, invest in anything, bro. Like, fuck all that other shit, invest. And that's really what I got on next on the list, is investing into yourself, bro. So if you have a hobby, a passion, even if it's not a hobby or a passion, it's just something you really love. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a perfect example, because I was watching Star Wars last night. So if I'm a Star Wars super fan, and like I own, like, that's like the biggest thing I care about. That's what I love. I love Star Wars, bro. You might think, bro, there's no possible way I could make money from my hobby or my passion. But what you don't understand, bro, is like, bro, internet, YouTube, social media is literally like the gold mine, like, of money. Like, if you was a fan of a show, it don't matter what show. Like I said, Star Wars, anything, bro, you could literally make a whole channel. And watch, I'm gonna show y'all, bro. You can make a whole channel devoted around the lore around your favorite show. Now I'm finna show y'all a channel, Star Wars Theory. I was watching this last night. I'm gonna give y'all an example. Now this channel, he has 3.31 million subscribers. And he took his hobby, his passion for movies that he liked, and made a whole channel based off of it, and now he has 3 million subscribers now. This is like the perfect example of what I mean when I say, bro, anything you like, anything you have a hobby with, anything you have a passion for, go ahead and find a way to monetize it. If you like sports, your sports career over, you never gonna see the field or the court again, make a YouTube channel dedicated to talking about sports, being about sports, become a sports announcer, like broadcast or learn the game. Like I'm telling you, bro, any hobby you got, like me, I like clothing, I like fashion, I like culture, I like putting that shit on, like all that shit. I have a clothing brand. It's the way I express myself. It's like, yo, the way you look, the way you come, you always, when I play football, I always would say, look good, feel good. So that's just stuck with me throughout my whole life. But yeah, I definitely say invest in yourself, your hobbies, your passion. Next thing on the list, now this might come across as like common sense, but I'm gonna explain what I mean by this. And what I want to say is understanding the value of a dollar. Now, what do I mean by this? Like, of course, everybody know $1 is worth $1. 5 $1 bills is worth $5. 2 $5 bills is a $10 bill. 2 $10 bills is a $20 bill. 5 20s, you got 100. You feel me? So that's not what I'm saying at all. Like, I genuinely understand most niggas know the value of a dollar. But what I mean by what a value of a dollar is, like, say, all right, this is exactly what I mean. So say I gave you $10,000 right now. You wouldn't even know what $10,000 could get you. You feel me? Like yeah, you could break, you would break the money down and I don't buy $1,000 mirrors. I'm about this, I'm about that, I'm about that. But you not understand, like you not. That's what I mean. You don't understand the value of a dollar. Like you don't understand how money can make you more money. And what do I mean by this? Now, if you invest, like take the step I said before, if you invest into your brand, like me for example, like this hoodie, like all the like samples and shit, like that shit come out of my own pocket, and it's not going to a customer. It's me just making samples. So I'm losing money. But I'm understanding that me losing that money is going to end up becoming me gaining money because I understand that this not a loss, it's an investment. And so, boom, I'm taking the money, invest it, I make the product, I post the product, I get sales, I make the money back. Now, I'm understanding that a dollar ain't just a dollar. It's, okay, I spent $300, or say I spent $200. But now I made $500. So that's what I mean by understanding the value of a dollar. Like some dollars worth more than others. Some dollars, you feel me, it's wasteful, you feel me? So I hope that part made a little bit of sense, but I'm gonna skip past that. The next thing I want to get into is credit now. Why? Now, most people in life, they're going to tell you, like, growing up especially, like, credit bad, credit this, credit that, debt, don't want to be in debt, do drop it down. Now, I'm going to explain something to you that you need to hear. Debt is not a bad thing when you use it to your advantage. I had to throw that last part, when you use it to your advantage. Now, if you $10,000 in debt and you got $2,000 in your bank account, that's a problem. If you $1,000 in debt and you only got $900, that's a problem. If you got $111, if you got if you got $1,011, but you $1,000 in debt, that's a problem too. Now, why I say this is because you're supposed to be using debt to your leverage, not to your disadvantage. Now, what I mean by this now, let's talk about forms of debt. Now, you got depreciating assets and you got appreciating assets. So what's the difference? So say you paying your car note every month, you paying your insurance, all that shit. Now your car note gonna be on your credit, right? Because you got a loan. But the value of your car every time you drive it is just going down and down and down and down and down. You feel me? So it's like that's a depreciating asset. Now if you buy a house and you paying it every month, you got a mortgage, every month you paying your house. But 10 years from now, your house might be worth $200,000. In 10 years, your house might be worth $400,000. You feel me? That's an appreciating asset. Now, that's what I mean by credit is a good thing. Now, if you have 10 appreciating assets, you have the ability to take those assets and then sell them, like when you need to or if you need to. So, like, say I'm in debt $200,000, not even 200,000. Say I put down a 20,000 down payment. I got the house for 180. So I got the house for 180. I'm paying the bills over time. Paying the bill over time. Say boom, the house now worth 400,000, but I paid, you feel me, 200 down plus. Say I'm halfway done. See, I got 100,000 left. You feel me? But now I paid 100,000 of my payment so far. But now my house worth 200,000 more than I originally paid for. Now you just came up 200 whole extra thousand because you invested into an appreciating asset. Like that don't sound like a bad thing, but that's what I'm saying. Credit isn't always a bad thing. Debt isn't always a bad thing. It's about what type of debt you have and appreciating, depreciating assets. So yeah, that's just a little bit free game on credit. I make a whole video. I think I already got one on credit specifically, but just as long as you capitalizing off of it and paying things on time, getting higher credit limits, you should be straight. Now, another thing, being an entrepreneur, like the way the world come, like I ain't gonna lie, if you're not an entrepreneur, like you kind of holding yourself back unless you like a doctor, a lawyer. But even then, you still should be an entrepreneur because it's like, okay, say I'm a lawyer. I could work for a law firm and just be like a guy in the law firm. Or I can run my own law firm, run my own cases, use social media to promote my brand, promote my advertisement, promote this, promote that. It's just about how you want to take it in life. Like, do you want to, like, but it's okay. This is the thing I want y'all need to understand. It is perfectly fine to want to just, okay, I'm gonna explain like this. It's perfectly fine to just have a regular 9-to-5 job, make between 60 and 150,000 a year. You go in 9 to 5, clock in 5 days a week, just normal. Like, that's the problem with this world. Everybody want to be millionaire, but nobody want to put millionaire effort or work in. So before I continue down that path, that leads me into my next topic. Now, save this. I usually get in this first. This leads me to, I'm gonna lead it to, save it to the end. Your mindset is everything. Now, what do I mean by your mindset is everything, bro? You will never be successful if A, you don't believe in yourself. B, you don't have discipline. You're not disciplined enough to, even when it's shit not going good, shit going low, or you don't got no confidence, you don't got no motivation, you gonna still get up and do it because you disciplined enough to know this is what I need to be doing. Another thing, bro, a lot of people, I see it all the time, bro. People let these girls, these niggas, your friends, you let them like pull you away from your goals. And I'm just here to tell y'all, bro, push your goals away for 5 years or keep procrastinating, bro. You gonna end up in a position where you gonna regret that shit your whole life. Like, damn, bro, I wish I chased my dreams, bro. I wish I did. And I promise y'all, bro, talking to older people, that's the number one thing they tell me, like don't go through life regretting shit. Like, that's the biggest, like, cause regret is one of the worst feelings in the world, bro. So don't go through life regretting shit. Don't put your friends to bullshit. Like, bro, niggas go out party all the time. Like just cause you miss a party, I promise you it's gonna be one next week. Just cause you're not at the club this week, I promise the club's still gonna be there next week. Like, bro, don't let nothing get in the way of your grind, your effort, your hustle, all that. Like, don't ever let nothing come in between that game. Like, I swear to God. But yeah, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna wrap up this video. You feel me? If you learned anything, you got any game from this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Take With TV. I'm out.